see through the darkness.
Here, I am Genji. I need healing. Master, I require heal. Angela, you are magic. Or no more of this cyborg. I'm not getting any heal. What the fuck are you doing here?